Good evening, everyone. Welcome everybody to this session. I hope all of you are able to see and hear me now. I welcome you all to this Spark Academy's EAMCET 2023 workshop. This is an exclusive workshop to give you a sneak peek into how you can solve EAMCET related questions. The competitive exam which is starting in May, you have both EAMCET as well as EAMCET, and both the application forms are also out. I think all of your 12th exams are done, CBSE board exams, state board exams are done. So you all now are in a position to start preparing for the competitive exam. So your sole focus should be preparing for the EAMCET 2023 competitive exam. So that is the reason why we are having this exclusive workshop presented to you by Spark Academy. So what we will do is, in this workshop I am going to discuss few important concepts in maths, and also I am going to share with you a 30-day revision plan, how you can access that plan, how you need to prepare for the exam, what all we at Spark Academy are doing to help you all. So we are going to see all this. Post my session, we are also going to see few physics important previous year question solutions, where you can get a feel of how to solve the questions, right? So this is the thing. So this is a workshop presented to you exclusively to you by Spark Academy. I am Yashasvi Santosh. I will be taking your session today along with the physics sir, who will be joining us in half an hour. So after my session. So let's get started with the plan. So this is the 2023 workshop. So first I am going to show you a 30-day revision plan which is available in our app as well. So I am just going to show you that. So this is the 30-day revision plan presented to you by Spark Academy. So you will be able to see it in the course content in our application. So this is the 30-day preparation plan. So as you can see here, we made a very good schedule. We have made a great schedule for you guys. We have given you detailed instructions also, where you can follow the schedule, whether you are preparing at home, preparing at the institute, anything. So this is the detailed schedule which we have given here. So you need to cover all the topics given as per the schedule. Ensure that you cover all the topics, follow the plan in detail, and also complete the study materials, which you have. So basically, this is the schedule, as you can see. So this is something which we are giving common to every student. So you can follow the schedule. So we have given you day-wise what topic needs to be covered in maths, physics, chemistry and biology. And this is students follow maths, physics, chemistry, biology, physics and chemistry. We have done it according to the weightages of the chapters. So if you scroll down a little, so this is the 30-day plan. And below that you will be able to see the chapter-wise weightages also, detailed chapter-wise weightages of maths, physics, chemistry, biology, everything given to you in detail. So you can go through the weightages, and accordingly we have also made that day-wise plan. So if you do that, you will be in a position to crack the examination, you will be in a good position to revise and utilize the time available to you before the examination. So you can see here, even physics, maths, chemistry, everything has been given here according to the weightage, according to the topic, taking into consideration last 5 years of the examination. So you should understand that EAMCET now is an online format exam. It's conducted across multiple slots. So and the papers are only getting tougher every year, right? So few things I would like to tell you in this are, this is how you need to make your timetable. If you have to want to make your timetable, this is the process you need to follow. So preferably I would say if you are starting from 10 to 1, so let us say you start at 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 to 1 you need to watch or attend the classes. Because understand one thing, everything you can't do it by yourself. So ensure you attend some classes or the other, be it online classes or classroom coaching, anything. Once you watch the videos and attend the classes, you will get a feel of what to expect. You will also have that extra motivation. You will also be accountable, more accountable. So once you attend the classes, you can take a break, and after that probably 1:30 to 4 attempt the chapter-wise tests. So depending on the schedule, it's very important right now, especially in the last 1 month, 40 days. You need to attempt as many tests as possible to ensure that you are comfortable with the format of the examination. You can see where you are making mistakes. You can see which chapters you are going wrong. So you can revise in that way. So ensure you get a chapter-wise test series and attempt every day. So this you can do it from 1:30 to 4 every day. And then again, you can start preparing 5 to 7. You should ensure again you can watch or videos or attend the classes once again, plus you can practice. Main focus should be previous year questions, mainly recent previous year questions, last 5 previous year questions. You have to do it for sure. That will help you ensure get a very good rank, because most of the previous year questions will cover all your models in all the chapters. And focus should be on higher weighted chapters. Please understand, we have very little time, so the focus first should be on higher weighted chapters, then come to the lower weighted chapters. Right? So this is the timetable which all of you have to follow for the EAMCET examination. So if you follow this timetable, then trust me, you will be in a very good position to crack the examination. So this is the timetable, this is the schedule, and in this as well we have shown you in detail. We have given instructions also, so you can just follow the instructions, how we conduct the schedule and revision classes, doubt clarification. So we are at Spark Academy, we are anyway here to help you out. And then some self-help videos also we have given in our application for all our Spark Academy students. So if you want access, I'll share the details once the session is almost done. So we can you will also get the information. So but basically everything, whatever you require is there in the document. The revision plan for 30-day preparation plan for TS EAMCET 2023 is already there here available to you. We are going to share this in our Telegram group as well, so that you get as much value as possible in this. Right? So this is the first thing which I wanted to talk about. Now let's get into how the actual workshop. So I'm going to discuss few previous year EAMCET questions in maths, and I'm going to show you quick ways of solving it, so that you also get an idea as to what is expected from you in these last few days. Right? So let's get started. So this is the first question. This is an EAMCET 2020 question. I think I picked most of the questions from 2020 paper because that was a pandemic year and it was one of the most difficult exams. So that is why I picked up the questions from this. We can see the question. The question is a plus b plus c is 60 degrees. Then cos of 30 minus a, cos of 30 minus b, cos of 30 minus c plus sine of a plus b plus c is what they are asking. This is a transformations question. So a plus b plus c is 60 degrees is what they have seen. So whenever you get a question like this, the best way possible is assume a, b, c values. So this is a transformations question. So assume a, b, c values. So how do you do that? So I can just give 60 degrees, 0 degrees, 0 degrees. Because 60 plus 0 plus 0 is 60 only. Now I can substitute the same in the question. So this will be cos of 30 minus 60 is cos of minus 30 plus cos of 30 minus 0 is cos 30 only. Cos of 30 minus 0 is cos 30 only plus sine of A plus B plus C, 60 plus 0 is sin 60 only. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, we know. So this is cos 30, cos 30, cos 30. So cos 30, we know root 3 by 2. This is also root 3 by 2. This is also root 3 by 2. Sin 60 also we know root 3 by 2. So 4 times root 3 by 2. 2 root 3 should be our left hand side value. 2 root 3 should be our answer. Now how do you verify options? Now put the same angles in the options. So let's check first option. 4 times cos 60 by 2 is cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 0 by 2 is cos 0 which is 1. Again cos 0 by 2 which is 1. So this is 2 root 3 we are getting. So this may be the answer. Now whenever you have sine, I can directly eliminate, right? Second option I can eliminate because sine 0 is 0. 0 and anything is 0. We shouldn't get a 0. And again, if you look at the fourth option also, b value is 0 degrees, sine 0 0. Third option also eliminated because sine 0 0. So that's it. You're done. In this way, very easy to solve the previous EAMCET question. As you can see, this is 2020 September question. Because of the pandemic, the exam was conducted in September. That is why you are seeing it in September. I hope this is clear, everybody. So what we are doing is transformations, just giving angles which is satisfying the condition, substitute the question, and verify the options. So this is the first question of the day. I hope you're clear. I would really appreciate if you can give me some comments. Now we'll move on to the second question. This was again a trigonometry question, but again this also you can do it in a very easy way. So they are given 1 plus cos theta by 2 cos 2 theta by 4 cos 3 theta by 8 is equal to some expression. They are asking you what is a minus b whole square. So for this, what we can do is again we are observing theta, theta, theta everywhere. So previously a condition was given, here only one angle variable given. So what I do is I give theta 0 degrees because I am observing everywhere cos is there, cos 0 will be 1, right? So this will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is this now? So this is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 up to so on infinity. This is nothing but a minus 2 by 5 plus b. So this you are observing, this is like an infinite GP series. Why is it a GP? Because you can see the ratio is same. 1 by 2 by 1 is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So the ratio is same. Infinite GP, the formula will be a by 1 minus r. So a is the first term which is 1. By 1 minus the common ratio is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2, so we are getting 2. So the left hand side is 2. The right hand side is a minus 2 by 5 plus b. So this is what you can get. So I can simplify 10 plus 2b is equal to n minus 2. A minus 2b equal to 12. So this is what we are getting. Now what you can do is assume a and b values satisfying with this equation. We can assume a and b values satisfying this equation, and we can get the answer. So I can take anything and substitute the same in the options as well. So you will get the answer easily. Is it clear, everybody, please? All of you? So this is an infinite GP based. But the basic fundamental concept here is you have to check. You have to give the value of the angle. Just some random value, left hand side, right hand side. simplify, you'll get an expression. Then you can just assume values here, and you can substitute. You will get the answer easily. The other way of doing it is, so we have taken theta value 0. You can take any other like 30. Again, use the same process, and you will get the answer. So anything you can solve here. Now look at the third question. Vector A given, this is a vectors question, vector B is given, vector C is given, then the vector X, so they are asking you vector X such that X dot C is 60 degrees and it is perpendicular to both A and B. Now for these type of questions, I am not even getting into the second part, which is cross product. I am going to show you a simple way where you can solve the question in seconds. Now look at this. So the dot product with C should be 60. That means what? The option dot product with C should be 60. Let's check first option. How do you do dot product? Dot product always I with I you need to do. So 14 into 1, that is 14. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6. Minus 12 into 1, minus 12. So is this equal to 60? It's not 60 degrees, it's just 60, right? So A is wrong. Now look at second option. 1 into 1, 1. 34 into 1, 34. 25 into 1, 25. So that is 60. Maybe we can't have two same options. Third option. 4 into 1, 4. Minus 21 into 1, minus 21. Minus 12 into 1, minus 12, again not possible. And final last option, 6 into 1, 6, minus 6, plus 28, again not possible. So second option directly answer. So all we are doing is, we are just verifying the condition. We are verifying dot product. So dot product, again simple recap, if you have A1I, A2J, A3K, B1I, B2J, B3K. So dot product will be A1 into B1 plus A2 into B2 plus A3 into B3. If this is A bar, if I call it as B bar, A dot B is this. Fundamental dot product EAMCET 2020 question is. So are you seeing how simple this question is as well? So this is how easy these concepts are based. All you need to do is you just need to, pay attention, be smart by verifying options or using shortcut methods or techniques. You will be, be in a good position to solve the questions. I hope all of you are clear with this as well. We'll move on, we'll do a couple of more questions. Now we are taking a limits question. So we have done trigonometry, we have done one in vectors, and taking one in limits now. We'll do a couple of calculus based questions as well here. So now look at this question, again another interesting question, another good question here in calculus, very good question in calculus. So look at this question. 1 minus cos of 1 minus cos x by sine power 4x. Okay. For calculus limits, I am going to show you a good technique. So whenever you are getting calculus questions, what you can do is, firstly, basically when you have limit extends to 0, all these shortcuts you can use. When you have limit extends to 0, if you have something like sine ax, I can directly write it as ax. If you have cos bx, I can write it as 1 minus b square x square by 2. And if you have e power x also, you can write e power x also, I can write it as ax. If you have 1 plus x whole power n, you can write it as 1 plus nx. These are some of the shortcut methods which you can remember. Now let's try and start solving. Firstly, I will use a little bit of trigonometry. This is 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta in trigonometry is 2 sine square theta by 2. This is the only thing which you need to figure out. After that it's the same. So this is like 1 minus cos of 2 sine square x by 2 by sine power 4x. Now we know how to do it because I know my shortcuts. Firstly, whenever you have this sin x, I can write it as x only, right? So this will be 1 minus cos of 2 x square by 2 square, because if you have ax, it will be x, but you have a whole square, so I have to square the inside part as well. This is sine power 4x, so x as it is, this is power 4. So now observe this, this is looking like, so again 2 and the square will get cancelled here. Now this you are observing, this is like cos. What is the cos logic? Cos bx I can write it as 1 minus b square x square by 2. So 1 minus x square by 2 whole square by 2 I am getting whole divided by x power 4. 1 1 cancel, negative negative cancel. So x square whole square is x power 4. 2 square 4, 2s are 8. Denominator another x power 4. X power 4, x power 4 cancelled. Answer 1 by 8. So the D option, here is the D option 1 by 8. So all I am simply doing is, yes Ruby, the answer is option D. All I am doing is using this, guys. You can take a screenshot or you can just write it quickly in your notebook. For limits I am using this. Many questions, whenever x tends to 0 questions are there, you can straight away use these tricks. So this is how you can do a limits question also in a very quick manner. So you see, that's why I'm showing you previous EAMCET questions. I'm showing you how you can do it easily. I'm just using one fundamental basic formula. Only this you need to know. This is a basic formula which you are expected to know. Now finally, I'm going to show you a differential equations based question. The family of the curves y equals to a e power 4x plus b e power minus x represents the general solution of a differential equation equal to 0, then df by dx. So basically, f they are saying is the general solution. So for the general solution for exponent, there's a shortcut. So I'm going to show you that. So y is equal to a, if you have a e power alpha x plus b e power beta x. If you want to eliminate a and b, the simple shortcut method is y2 minus, so this is like a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, how do you form? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So I'll use a similar logic. Y2 minus, this is alpha beta, right? So I'm adding the exponent coefficients. Y2 minus alpha plus beta into y1 plus product of the roots, which is alpha into beta into y equal to 0. This is the differential equation which is to be formed. All you need to do is identify the coefficients and put it here in this formula. Now I'll apply the same here. So here basically alpha value given as 4, beta value is minus 1. So this is the solution, the differential equation solution or the general solution. That here they are saying f. So f will be what here? Y2 minus alpha plus beta is what? 4 minus 1. So that is nothing but 3y1 plus alpha into beta into y. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 into y. Here y2 means second differential, second time differentiating. Y1 means first differential, so first time differentiating. So this is just f. But now they are saying you need to find out df by dx. That means that f you are differentiating again. So what will happen if you do df by dx? So derivative of y2, so second derivative becomes third derivative. So it becomes y3. First derivative becomes second derivative. And only y becomes first derivative. So which is Second option, I think C. D cube by dx cube, which is nothing but by 3, third derivative, minus 3 times second derivative, minus 4 times first derivative. Very simple, very easy. And all I am using is this wonderful shortcut method. Super easy. Wonderful trick. You can do it for this. But the only thing you need to be careful here is that just not asking you. So this is just the solution. If they just asked you a solution, this would have been the answer, which is first option. They are asking you to differentiate the solution once again. So that is why after finding the solution using the shortcut, I have differentiated once. So second becomes third, first becomes second, nothing becomes first, right? So that's the thing. I hope you have clear everybody. So have you seen how, in such a simple way, we have taken various topics and we applied the shortcut formulas. Right? So this is how, you can solve questions. This is how you are expected to prepare now. Know the shortcut methods, previous year questions, then practice others. Of course, before learning shortcut methods, you need to know some important basics as well. So this is the reason why at Spark Academy here, we have come up with an exclusive crash course short-term training program for the benefit of all of you. So what we are doing is, for our crash course, we have classroom coaching at all our branches, Narayanguda, Medipatnam, ECIL. So we have at Narayanguda, we have at Medipatnam, we have at ECIL. All the branches, the classroom coaching is available to you. Already Narayanguda batch 1 admissions are done, batch 2 are also done. Narayanguda batch 3 admissions we started opening. In Medipatnam batch 1 and ECL batch 1 admissions are almost done, so probably tomorrow day after it will be done. The batch is starting tomorrow, 30th March. Tomorrow the batch is starting. And whatever I have told you, the strategy, same strategy we are following. 10 to 1 we are having classes. Afternoon 1:30 to 4 p.m. you will be having chapter-wise tests. Then we are also giving you recorded videos post that, and then study materials are also provided. As you can see, this is the study material which we are giving to all the students. We have around 8 books actually. I'm just showing you few. This is just the 11th books. You have 12 books as well. So totally you will be getting 8 books in total here as a part of our crash course material. In this, all previous year questions are given. Latest 2022 paper questions are also given in this. Right? So this is included in the package. Then if you want to study from home, then you can opt for online coaching. Online coaching also starting from tomorrow. So the fees is 10,000. For classroom coaching it's 20,000. For online coaching it's 10,000. Again, same timing, same schedule, day-wise schedule will be shared with you. Live classes will be there. So here it's live classes. If you don't want live classes, if you just want recorded classes and study on your own, you can do that as well, where you have the recorded sessions for 4949. So we have packages for every aspect for the crash course, right? But the batch is starting from tomorrow. Narayanguda directly, first 2 batches are already full. One Narayanguda we are taking admissions for the 3rd batch now. Medipatnam and ECL almost 70-80% full. So we are only taking few more admissions tomorrow and day after. So please ensure you do that. After this, the next batch might start only in April, probably 2nd or 3rd. So please ensure you join as much as possible, as soon as possible. So I'll show you a few more things. So this is the day-wise schedule which we planned for the Spark Academy students as well. This is how the classes will happen. As you can see, starting from tomorrow, all the subjects, all the chapters, and only 2 holidays we have, Good Friday and Ramzan. Tomorrow also it's working, so you can see till May 7th we are supporting you. Till May 7th we are supporting you. And you can see the entire content. So For the recorded classes, for the live classes or for the classroom coaching, we are providing you with this content as well, right? So this is the content which is there. Here you can see the daily tests, whatever are the daily tests. You know, day wise we have given you all the tests you can directly attempt looking at the schedule. Then you know we have also given detailed recorded videos also. So recorded videos also, pre-recorded videos which you can study with, you know, at your convenience for all the subjects, maths, physics, chemistry. I think bio still not updated, but I think it should be done today only. So you can see all the videos, you can see all chapter-wise videos. We have put it everything, including previous year questions, problems, concepts, everything. So you can go through that. Apart from that, you can also see the chapter-wise tests. Apart from daily tests, you can attempt chapter-wise tests also separately. Complete study material is also given. Flashcards will also be uploaded. And then you also have grand tests. We have given 5 JEE, 5 NEET, 5 EAMCET, MPC, as well as 5 EAMCET BPC grand tests. We'll be adding more as well. We'll give you at least 3 to 4 more grand tests in each. So in that way, you know, it will be very easy and very, you know, useful for you for the program. So this is what we are sharing with all the students, irrespective of whatever course you take. Correct? But the advantage of online batch students as well as classroom coaching students is live classes is you will be getting those books as well which I showed. So we'll make you solve questions in the class. There are a lot of chapter-wise tests and daily tests in the study hours. And then once you go back home, then you can, you know, sit and practice the recorded sessions as well as study material, flashcards. So everything. This is a very comprehensive course we have designed for all the EAMCET aspirants. So these are the things which I wanted to discuss. Yeah, so you can check the course here. These are, you can check our website as well. And you know, if you just type Spark Academy on Google, you will get all our reviews. You'll be getting, you know, all our photos, classroom photos. You'll be able to see. You'll be able to see the latest updates. You can see all our branches available on Google. You just type Spark Academy, you'll know about us, right? And you know, also you can visit our website or download our app. So once you download app, click on show, you'll be able to see. So those who are looking for the self-study course, just the recorded videos, you can directly open the app, click on the store. You'll be able to find that, you know, easily here. So this is it. So you just have to apply the coupon code here, EAMCET2023, and you will be getting that for 4949. If you are looking for classroom coaching, online coaching, then you know you can contact 8977525461 or 9133380172. Right, so these are the points which I wanted to discuss. So if you have any queries, you can drop comment below or you can contact us on these numbers. So these numbers 8977525461 or 9133380172. Grab your seat fast, and we are here to help you and assist you. Right, and also those of you who want to look at some of the sample videos, you can just open our channel, Spark Academy. There you will be able to see the playlist. So we have made playlists also, all EAMCET 2023 important information you will be able to see in this playlist. Right? So how to crack the exam and get below 5,000 rank, what is the application process, what are the important updates, everything given in this. Then you can also, you know, check in our YouTube channel the chemistry chapter-wise, physics chapter-wise, all many important chapters we have done, maths topic-wise, bio topic-wise. So, you know, from our end, we have ensured everything is there for even those, you know, who are not joining our courses. If you still want to revise, lot of material available to you. And you can check our shorts as well, where we discuss a lot of tricks, and all latest updates, even in maths, physics and chemistry, all subjects are there. So this is about our Spark Academy's crash course. We are looking forward to, you know, see lot more students, and feel free to comment or contact us on 8977525461 for admissions. Thank you so much, guys. Please take care and all the very best for EAMCET 2023.